Nintendo Switch that doesn't want to turn on anymore. So let's give it a good clean. I got the magic eraser that wipes away sadness. Let's get those stickers out of here. And now let's unscrew the nicest thing anyone's ever let me take apart before. Definitely not going to lose those screws. There it is. No water damage. So I'm just going to clean and reset all the cables. Someone's been in here. And I'm really going to clean that one. Now let's give it the old college try, Yep, there, okay. And then it came on, so that's great. Now let's put it together and give it a try. All together and everything works great. Success.